Hey guys, so we're here with the Prince William County Junior Police Academy. Come check it out. This is Kilby Elementary. All right guys, this is Ellis Elementary. Come check it out.
So today's our Junior Police Academy. We are involving students from Ellis and Kilby Elementary School. They are coming out here today to learn about police and things we do and how we keep them safe. Today we're having demonstrations by our dive team. The kids are going to learn about diving. They're going to be on these skateboards and feel around what it's like to be underwater. We're also going to have a bike demonstration. The kids are going to be riding bicycles. That demonstration is put on by our bike team. And the bikes are provided in part by the school system. They have a big bike trailer, so they're going to come out and all the kids are going to get to ride bikes, and some of them are even going to learn how to ride a bike today.
We learned about integrity, which is being honest. Like, to be a police officer, you have to have integrity and be an honest and trustworthy person.
What's fun is that you get to see some friends. We do activities. We are having fun and we are learning at the same time. That's what I like about them.